Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. Mom has 14 recessed fixtures in her kitchen and living room space. They are all LED bulbs, but in some of them they have failed and we wanted a more uniform look to the lighting. So we found these 4 packs of LED retrofit recessed lighting on sale at Costco for an unbeatable price. I removed the light bulb and pulled out the old recessed fixture. With some of them, the metal piece holding the fixture in place fell out, but it didn't damage the socket. I just attached the fixture the same way I would any light bulb, and the spring clips fit right into the clip holders on the inside of the enclosure. Mom turned on the light, and it's perfect. We repeated this same process for all 14 can lights. When I pulled out each old fixture, they all came out a little bit differently, but I was able to remove them without any damage. This is a close-up of attaching the old fixture and placing in the clips on the side. While I was on the ladder, Mom was unboxing each of the new fixtures and passing them to me. This is a very straightforward process. We didn't run into any snags and all the fixtures work perfect. One thing we did notice is the old fixtures looked a little bit like cones, so we decided to keep them and perhaps we'll use them in a future DIY. This recessed light bulb kept failing, so we're not sure how this new fixture would work, but once we had it in place and turned on the lights, it was perfect. This was also the perfect opportunity to clean the fan as we had the tall ladder out. And here are all 14 updated light fixtures. In person, they really give a uniform full coverage lighting to the entire space. This is what the old fixture looked like, and now the new fixture. We did buy an extra box of lights just in case any of these fixtures fail soon or in the future. We have something to replace them with. This is a very quick DIY and highly recommend, especially if you can find them on sale. I recently replaced a broken can light in my bathroom and did run into a couple difficulties, and you can see that in the video right here. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube.